When I rule the world, then I'm gonna make you sweat. Oh, that song. Hit or miss. Y'all know that meme? Y'all know that one? Y'all know the one that goes hit or miss. I guess then it'll miss. Home.
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 I hate you.
Here you are in my home. Here you are.
In my bedroom. Right now. Hi, how are you guys doing? Alright, little PSA before you guys start. This might be 3 weeks. 3 weeks overdue, but when eating the frosting and the wafer cookies, be sure after you open the frosting, be sure to put it in the fridge, because if not, you will get diarrhea. I learned my lesson. I sharded in Walmart. It was not fun. Just wanted to let you know. So this is Sully.
Hello.
He's a great artist and he's also my son. I love him very much, and I also got him some new clothes because his outfits need updating.
I guess. Okay, let's go. This is like Krim and Tom.
Which one do you want to open first?
I don't know.
Here's some glasses, by the way.
I guess. Oh, sweet. Are these just all for me?
Yes, all of it's for you. Could you keep wearing shitty, like, old lady glasses?
I don't wear any old lady glasses. When was the last time I've ever posted a picture with me in glasses? Read that.
You deleted them all. It's not fair because you deleted your old Instagram.
Until I see said photos, I will not be pleased.
You suck. You have.
And I swallow. Anyways.
Alright. Let me put together your outfits. And then...
Do I need to like close my eyes, monkey
yeah.
emoji? Oh my god. Thumbnail. Can I see?
Not yet.
Well, okay, I guess.
Together.
Oh shit. This is your clothes. This is... What is the title gonna be?
Pants and they were like $15.
The pants were $15?
Yeah.
Why did you spend that much money on me? You should spend like 50
Here's the first outfit.
Okay, what is this? Do I need to go change?
Just look at it first.
Okay. What is she?
It's I like plain stuff, by the way, so that's a plain black t-shirt.
Hell yeah, I need a plain black t-shirt. Hell yes. Swag.
All my shit is plain.
Plain black t-shirt, OMG. Oh my gosh.
And that's like a burgundy.
She went H&M. She went, girly went. Oh no, this is Walmart? Oh my god. I'm snatched. I wear medium.
Oh wait, she went to Walmart.
Yeah, that's whatever. George is gonna get that promo anyway, so fuck it. Who cares?
The shirt's from H&M.
Yeah, we see.
It's like the shirt's like $7.
Do I need to change into this?
Yes.
Okay. Can I?
Unless you want to change into it after, we can do a fashion show.
I can do that.
Alright.
Yeah.
We'll pick our favorite one after.
Alright.
So there's that one. And close your eyes again.
I don't even know.
This shirt's my favorite.
Okay, I don't even know why Leanne did this, honestly. Like, she's too kind.
I'm using all my paper.
But why? I didn't do anything.
Well, it's okay. I get you, because I have missed like so many Christmases and birthdays, and I even forgot to get you socks.
Oh my god.
But it's okay because I have like $10 left.
No, Brito.
Go get your Brita.
Brito needs to get that.
Congratulations.
Beautiful.
Why are you wearing it like on the tip?
I don't fucking know. Maybe I just like the tip.
Oh my god, 3/4. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so this one's my favorite shirt.
Okay. Monkey emoji, Tom. Okay, kind of like beautiful. This is very cute. This is very basic, very plain.
It's like you can't tell if it's pink or purple.
I know, for real. This is crazy.
It's pink though. Pretty sure it's pink.
Yeah, I think this is pink.
It's pink.
Yeah,
I love pink.
Definitely pink. And these are joggers?
Yeah, I like joggers.
These are joggers?
Yeah, they're like khaki joggers.
Hell yeah. Swag. These are fucking sick.
I got this one at Goodwill.
Okay. I think I need to have the glasses off every time I see them.
Then you put them back on.
Yeah, and then I took them back off.
This entire outfit I got for $8.45.
$8.45. Okay. I just
and
opened
it's
my
so
eyes.
big, and it looks like it like keep you warm.
What is this?
Coral colored pants.
Oh my god, these are cute though.
I don't know if they'll fit. I think they will.
Literally, these are.
They might be a little short.
And this is so cute too.
That's what I thought.
Oh my gosh. I'm pumped. I'm excited.
You're
Oh
like,
God.
my favorite outfit's gonna be the one from Goodwill.
Probably, yes. I'm a Goodwill boy. Goodwill is so nice. Like, who doesn't love a good Goodwill?
Can't say I don't.
I don't know.
Oh my god, I hate you so much. Wait. Okay.
I got doggies on my sock.
You look really good, and I like that you had a beanie to match.
Yeah, y'all know I came with a strap with a car. Y'all know I know what I'm saying.
What? Alright, say that one more time.
It's fine. Where the fuck? What's wrong? I don't know what's wrong. I live in hell. Here. I do this one over here.
With all that shit randomly. Oh my god! I have sheets that match that blanket.
Which one?
Not that one. The one like right underneath your crotch.
Not my hole.
No! Pose with the one that screams.
With the one that screams?
Yes.
Or Scream Boy.
Screamy boy.
I feel like I should be shooting a music video. I should be like, take the medicine, yeah. Yeah. I don't know.
Go out to my
Shit, I
car.
have prop cigarette.
Fucking hate my life. Is this what my
You
life
need
is
sick,
gonna-
bud?
Oh my god, I
You
hate
need
you.
sick, bud?
I hate you so much. Why do you do this to me?
It's for your entertainment.
Oh my god, would you put that away?
Yes, I'm a soy boy. Stop asking in the comments.
Oh my fucking god,
You got pizza in the oven?
get the fuck out of here. Wait a minute. Come here. Where are the sides? How is that staying up?
I'm an anime.
Ew! That does not sound non-copyright music.
Yeah, I don't think that's I don't think.
Don't even play with
play that
me.
stock music. Play that stock music. Hi, my name's Dag Walker, and today I'm here to talk to you about my new Shark Tank invention, Shingus. Imagine your whole entire life would just be with like stock music all the time. Like you go fucking crazy.
So, right, they out. See, that's why I buy you fucking glasses.
Hmm?
Can I have those?
Maybe in your dreams. If I were to give this outfit a number, I'd give it 3.
3?
4.
3 out of 4? I was about to say out of 10, like, bitch. You best like that outfit.
I love it. I'd fucking die without it.
Okay.
This little thing, this little drawing we got going on.
So you got water on?
Yeah, this little friend. Does it look like it's all me?
Sure.
Does it when I'm wearing these clothes? I would give this outfit probably a 7
Out of 10.
out of 7.
Oh, okay.
So the next pair of items I've received from Leanne is a black shirt and a mirror and jumpers. I would like to say that I really enjoyed them and I loved receiving these ever so much. Thank you, Leanne.
I didn't know we were ASMR.
Maybe so. What? I look beautiful.
I like your eyebrows.
Thanks, my dad gave them to me.
I'm so proud. Alright.
I loved all of them, but I think my favorite one would have to be Coral Boy.
Coral Boy.
Coral
That's
Boy.
what I thought.
I love Coral Boy.
Coral Boy.
Coral Boy.
Alright, well I hope you liked this video. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button.
It turned into a vlog halfway through.
If you want to hang out with me in between uploads, I do have all my social media information in the description down below. I hope you liked this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!